Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yan guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa church. Mag-atid kami ng mass. And diretso na kami mamalingke.
And baby.
And baby Wilhelm. So guys, maganda na ang weather ngayon. Ang weather ngayon is -2. So anyway, malamig pa rin. Feels 13, 12, gano'n. So yan guys. So look, ang weather ngayon, maganda.
Nice weather.
So there, church muna kami.
Good.
Just open!
Walk. Walk.
It's locked.
Walk.
It's open sa Xiaomi. Yeah. And guys, simba kami today. Church time guys.
My ribs.
Dapat ka pala. Hindi pa na ako dapat sa jacket. Still snowing guys. It's Palm Sunday today. Hi, where are you? Where are you going, Wilhelm?
I don't know.
Why you don't know? You're supposed to be know where you're going.
So yun guys, we're going to Superstore guys. Bibili tayo ng foundation.
Si Sir. Mamaya eh.
Malay mo, mga isang taon pa. Ba't na rin kasi pare oh.
Narit pa?
Lumabas oh. Ano pa yung sakyan eh?
Baka ano sila sa gitna. Sunday, may ganakok sa Sunday. Linggo ng pagkabuhay.
So yan guys, tapos na yung mas mag-grocery tayo. Superstore.
It's baby time.
It's baby time guys. So yan, grocery muna ng
Baby.
makain ni baby. So yun is snowing.
Baby, yoy.
Snow pa rin.
This is how we baby.
Superstore. Go, go, go. Egg, egg, egg.
Isa kasi maasim din pag malalaki. Pag maliliit, at least ikampi lang ubos ng maasim. Ayun po, fine na, good one. Not good. You fine, come on. You check this is good. Oh yeah, that one, this one's good. One more. Please get just get ready. Kasi wala ka namang school.
That one is good.
Yeah.
Jackfruit guys oh. Tapos ito squash.
I will
Grabe ng mga bilihan yan guys.
Guys, mahal na nito guys.
Mahal na oh.
Dati ito ay $1 lang. Beef. Ito ay chicken.
Grabe na.
Hotdog. Original.
Ito ba ganun oh, chicken. We left them here.
Chicken.
Meron pa?
Mura nga, 37. Pwede mura lang next week. No, 27. Pwede $15 lang rin ako.
Yan, oh.
Meron pa nga tayo yun doon.
Ah, sige.
Dalawang peraso pa. Ipastin pa nga, di ba?